is it possible to get input tax credit? I mean, is it possible to get a return on that money?
All right. So I'll just give you more background on that. How
Mm-hmm.
GST works in India is basically GST is applicable when you are doing any business from India, right? And uh, let's say if you are selling in India, you will also collect GST from your customers on those sales. If
Mm-hmm.
you're selling outside India, let's say you're exporting something, some product from India, then again you will collect GST from your customers, but government has given an option that in case of export, you don't have to collect
Mm-hmm.
GST and you can apply for a LUT certificate in that case,
Yes. Yes.
right? But in this POD model, most of the customers, what they do is they purchase some product from US or maybe some other country, but basically that's from outside India and they sell
Mm-hmm.
it outside India as well.
Mm-hmm.
So you see, this model doesn't qualify as export. Export is something when you are sending some
Correct.
goods from India
India to
to
abroad.
outside. But this model is not export. So that's why this doesn't get covered under the definition of supply for GST, and that's the reason GST is not applicable on those
Hmm.
transactions.
Mm-hmm.
And when GST is not applicable on any transaction, so whatever tax you are paying on your expenses, whether be it a Facebook ads, be it a PayPal charges, or any other charges that you are paying, and whatever GST you are paying as a part of that, that won't be refunded to you, that won't be eligible
Mm-hmm.
as ITC in your businesses. So the logic is when you're outside, the second part, the sale part is eligible as it's covered under GST, your purchase part gets covered as well. So that's the simple logic.
Hmm. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Well explained. So what you're saying is that if someone's doing international dropshipping or POD, if they're not charging I mean, they're not. The government says that you don't really have to charge GST
Right.
from people. That's fine. But and but of course, people are going to be paying GST to Facebook and all of these services. So there is no return